This is Charapona Macher. Hello and welcome to episode 4 of Memories on a Plate. And for today's recipe, we have Charapona Macher Jhal, or loosely translated to palm-sized rohu fish cooked in mustard gravy. Fish, like any other Bengali household, was a common sight in our house. But it didn't really excite me unless it was a special fish or unique fish. My father would go to the city's ends to find a variety of fishes for me to enjoy, one of which was this fresh Charapona Macher that I loved to eat as a kid, mostly because no one would ask me which piece of fish I wanted, and finally I could be free from the dilemma of picking a certain piece of fish. Instead, I would get the whole fish, or sometimes even more than one. I can still remember the excitement that would fill me every time I saw the Charapona Macher on the table. Looking back, I realized that it is more than just a fish to me. It's a reminder of the love and care that my family has for me and the lengths that my parents would go to make me happy. And to this day, the Charapona Macher holds a special place in my heart and my taste buds, reminding me of the joy and comfort of home. It also reminds me of one of the silly things that I did as a kid. I used to brag to my non-Bengali friends about my sumptuous lunch of not one, but 2 whole rohu fishes, leaving them completely awestruck. Little did they know which fish I was actually talking about. As you can see, the recipe is pretty simple. The maximum time required is for frying the fish. You can find the full recipe in the description box. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Kunar Cooks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.